In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to heat sounds and vibration. Then you can click on vibration at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down. Then click on phone ringtone. Tap on vibration section under SIM 1 and SIM 2 and adjust it. You can disable vibrations completely by hitting none. You can pick one of those vibration patterns by clicking on a perfect one, or synchronized haptic feedback with your ringtone by clicking on synchronized at the top. Then go back, hit notification tone, tap on vibration at the top and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Then select more settings at the very bottom. Hit this switcher next to vibrate wiring to turn it on or off. And last but not least, click on this one next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!